In this video, we are going to install the ComfyUI, models and node that Studio needs to generate images. Then we will run a faceless video workflow to try it out. All the commands are in the description. Let's get started. ComfyUI ships with no models. 27 empty directories. Studio's Marketplace. Install all 4 workflow packages. They are graph definitions, not weights. Same on the providers page. Install all the community packages. Self-host Studio. ComfyUI needs no credentials. No key, no account, no charge. It just needs model files on disk, and the doc says exactly which. Every package lists its own set. Over on the host, activate the environment and start it. The bootlog tells you the memory found. 8 GB of VRAM is enough. There is the default graph. Look, top right. No manager button. That is the missing piece. Stop the server. Clone ComfyUI. Manager into custom nodes. 32,000 objects. Then install its requirements into the same environment it runs in, not your system Python. Start it again. Then refresh the browser. A real refresh, Manager registers in the front end, so a stale tab hides it. There it is, top right. That button is the difference between hunting model files and picking them off a list. 2 things here matter: Custom Nodes Manager and Model Manager. We need 1 custom node. Search GGUF. First hit is the 1 by City96. GGUF is a quantized weight format. It turns a 24 GB model into 7. Take the latest and install. It pulls a couple of Python packages with it. Now it says restart required, and it means it. The node is on disk, but not imported. Until you restart, it does not exist. Refresh the browser too. The server reloads the node. The front end reloads its interface. Back into Custom Nodes Manager to check. Update, switch version, disable, uninstall. That is what installed looks like. Now, the models themselves. Model Manager, 562 entries. Search Flux.1 Schnell. 14 results, 4 GB up to 23. We want Q4KS. 6.8 GB. Full precision, Schnell is 23.8. Same model, quantized, under 7. You will not see the difference in the picture. You will see it in VRAM. This download is sped up. In real time it ran about 2 minutes. Once it lands, restart so it picks up the new file. Refresh the browser, back into Model Manager, and set the filter to Installed. One model. Back to the dock. 2 text encoders left. They are not interchangeable. The big one first, T5XL. Take the FP8 build at 4.9, not FP16 at 9.8. Half the size. And on image prompts you cannot tell them apart. Sped up again, about 90 seconds real. Roughly half the download for a Flux setup is text encoders, not the image model. Restart. Wait for reconnected. You do this dance once per file. Refresh the browser as well, or Manager shows you a cached list. Filter installed. 2 now, and both save paths look right. Third file, the small text encoder, clip L. 246 megabytes, the cheapest thing here. But it is required. Flux uses both encoders together, and missing either stops the graph. Done in about 5 seconds. Its save path just said default, the one row that will not say where the file lands. The log does text encoders alongside the T5. Restart anyway. Filter installed, 3 green checks. 1 file to go, and it is the one that fights back. The VAE. 335 megabytes, the smallest file, and the only gated one. Install it. And it fails. Read the error. It is pulling from Black Forest Labs, and that repository is gated. Manager is not signed in, so it gets refused. Nothing in there fixes it. So go to the repository yourself, in a browser, signed in. This is the gate. You agree to share your contact information before you can touch any file. It is not a paywall. Schnell is Apache licensed and free to use. They just want to know who is downloading it. Access granted, and it stays granted on your account. Not a one-off. Flux.2 client is gated the same way. So are plenty of repos you will want later. Except once in the browser, then the files are yours. Put it where the app expects, and this is what trips people. Models, VAE, Flux.1. That Flux.1 subdirectory does not exist yet. You create it. Get it wrong and the loader cannot see it, and nothing says so. 4 installed. Now prove it can see them. Add a unet loader GGUF node. It came from the custom pack, no node. The dropdown already has the file, found without being told where to look. Same for the encoders. Both files are listed, clip L and the T5. Dual means it wants 2. Flux feeds both encoders from the same prompt, so one alone gets you nothing. And a load VAE node. Flux.1 ae.safetensors right there. 4 files, 3 loaders, all resolved. That site is done. Now, the other half. Which package does Studio run? Open the workflow and look at the images step. The whole chain, 2 fields. Provider, Self-Host Studio, ComfyUI. Workflow, ComfyUI, Text to Image, Schnell GGUF. Faceless video. An article in, a narrated video out. 8 steps. The one that matters is images, step 5. Story goes first, a language model writing a hook out of the premise. Then scenes. 5 of them, each with narration text and image prompts. 15 image prompts in total, which means 15 calls into the setup we just built. Narration is text-to-speech. 5 clips, done in 9 seconds. Those are cheap.
According to the Lighthouse Keeper's log, a mysterious entry has raised questions about the unexplained slowdown.
The images are where the hardware earns its keep. They are queued, waiting on the GPU. While that spins up, what these files cost you. This package is 12.2 gigabytes on disk, the cheapest of the 6. Full precision Schnell is 34.1, nearly 3 times the disk for the same pictures. Flux.1 Schnell sits in the middle. All 6 in the catalog is about 92 gigabytes. First image is down. Disk is cheap. VRAM is not. Every one of these is generated on your own hardware. No API call, no charge per image, no content filter. About 5 seconds each. They run one after another because a single worker takes the jobs. Run more workers if you have the memory for it. Now, the thing nobody mentions about running several packages. Switching between them is not free. The model has to leave video memory, and the next one has to be read and off disk. About 12 gigabytes moving. On a fast drive, a few seconds. On a slow one, worse. Stay on one package and it stays resident. 15 images, no bill. The video step takes over from here. Zoom, narration, subtitles burned in. That part is FFmpeg, not the GPU. Let's watch the video.
According to the lighthouse keeper's log, a mysterious entry has raised questions about the unexplained slowdown of the beam. This anomaly could pose significant risks to maritime operations in the treacherous northern waters. The lighthouse beam, crucial for ship safety, has been sweeping 1 second slower each night. This irregularity, observed by the keeper, highlights potential vulnerabilities in systems assumed to be routine and reliable. On the 9th night, the keeper discovered an entry in the log that she did not write. This eerie twist has left her and others concerned about the implications of this anomaly.
And that's the whole install for ComfyUI models and nodes. Like and subscribe if this video was helpful. If you have any questions, comment below or join us in the school community. Link in the description. See you in the next video. Cheers.